Rhamphorynchus, meaning beak nose, was a genus of pterosaurs from late Jurassic Europe. It was relatively small for a pterosaur, but it was about the size of an albatross. Rhamphorynchus lived in a marine environment, and was a fish eater. It had a forward-facing sharp and conical teeth, which enabled it to hold fish firmly in its mouth without it slipping out. Some fossil remains suggest Rhamphorynchus had a throat pouch, in which it could store fish before returning to land to digest them. There were several Rhamphorynchus species, of which the smallest had a wingspan of 40 centimeters. All species had a long skull, which had sparse but sharp teeth and long tails. Rhamphorynchus is thought to have been a capable flyer, and would have been able to maneuver skillfully in the air. They may even have been able to cross entire seas by relying on air currents to lift them above the water. Fossil remains of Rhamphorynchus are common and have been discovered in the UK, Germany, Portugal, and Tanzania. The best preserved specimens have been found in the Solnhofen limestone in southern Germany. The Solnhofen specimens of Rhamphorynchus are both famous and beautifully preserved. They have even revealed the softest parts of the body, including the delicate wing membranes and stomach contents. Some of the fossil remains of Rhamphorynchus are so well preserved that they suggest it had a covering of hair-like filaments on its body. The discovery of another pterosaur in Kazakhstan called Sordis revealed that its whole body had been covered in filaments called pycnofibers that resembled fur. Animals that are covered in hair or feathers are usually thought to have been warm-blooded, as these filaments provide insulation against cold. The presence of hair-like filaments on pterosaurs was controversial among scientists. Some scientists believed that the hair-like filaments on pterosaur fossils were loose muscle fibers instead of actual filaments. However, some of the filaments are found in places that lacked muscles. Rhamphorynchus and other pterosaurs were members of the Archosaur family of reptiles. The earliest pterosaurs evolved during the late Triassic and are represented by genera such as Pterosaurus from northern Italy. Rhamphorynchus had a long tail like most late Triassic and Jurassic pterosaurs. This tail helped these reptiles to balance themselves while flying. The long-tailed pterosaurs were later replaced by another group of pterosaurs that were tailless.